Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show how to remove and install the battery on this Levoit LVAC-200 cordless stick vacuum. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And make sure that you've read through all of the information on the packaging and any information that comes inside of the packaging before you try this. You also want to make sure that the vacuum is turned off, which this vacuum is turned off. Okay, so there's a blue button here. So I'm going to press that blue button down, and then when I do that, I'm going to remove the battery from the vacuum, starting from the top here. So kind of pivoting like this, like that. Okay, so I'm going to press the blue button down. And you want to watch your fingers when you do this. There are pinch points. And then once it starts to remove from the vacuum like that, there's some friction right here on mine, so it kind of stops. But I just gently keep moving the battery away from the vacuum like that until I can remove the battery. Okay, so now to reinstall the battery, I'm putting on the bottom part of the battery first, and then pivoting the top part in. And you want to be careful when you do this, because like on mine, there's friction here. And so when I start pressing a little bit, the battery is just going to go into place. So you want to watch your fingers too, because there are pinch points. So I have the bottom part on there, and then I'm just going to start pushing the battery into the vacuum. And see how it just went really fast? And I don't know if that's specific to mine or if that's common on all of them. I'm just making sure it's secured into place. But there we go. But yeah, you want to be careful, because the battery, at least on this one, when it goes in really fast. And then just making sure that the battery's secured into place. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.